Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome to this video. My name is Soumya and today I'm starting this new series of training your dog. So I will be telling you step by step how to exactly train your dog. It's easy. I'm sure you can easily teach your dog all these commands. Me not being a professional dog trainer, have already trained around 4 to 5 dogs, and throughout this process I have learned some tips and tricks which I'm going to share with you guys today. So there are a few important commands, for example sit, stay, drop it, which you guys will be using very often, so do I. And then there are a few fancy commands, for example shake hand, round, crawl, which are not very important, but still we like to teach these to our dogs. So we will be covering all these commands in different videos. For today we are gonna start with sit and lie down. Before you start your dog's training, keep some treats handy. You will use those to lure your dog and he will do anything to get those treats from you. Let's begin. So I'm going to use this ball because he loves this ball equally. He is already trained, but I will still tell you the steps which I used to train him. First of all, let your dog taste some treats. Now he will do anything to get more of those treats. Here comes my tip number 1, which is always train your dog when he is a little hungry. Do not train him when he is already full. When he is already full, he might not perform his best to get those treats. Now to make him sit, what you have to do, you have to hold the treat above his head. Do not keep your treat here and offer him. He will definitely eat it. Do not hold your treat here. He will try to bite this area. Keep it here and close it lightly so that he knows that it is not something which he can bite or grab hold of because it is inside this fist, but he can also smell this at the same time, so he will ask you to give it rather than him attempting onto it. So now take him near to his nose, let him sniff, and then slowly move your hand above his head. At this point, what mistake people do is that they will do this very quickly. They let him sniff and then take it immediately above his head. He will not be able to understand what is happening. He will not be able to understand the process. So you have to do it very slowly. Have patience. Right? Now you have to hold it near to his nose and slowly taking it above his hand. Now since he is aiming for treats, his target is this. So he will keep looking at this. In case he is distracted, he is not looking at your hand now. Take it again near to his face so that he sees your hand again. He should look at your hand. Now a point will come where he is not able to see the treat any longer because you are taking it above his head. Now in order to see the treat again, he will, at some point, he will sit down now. Now as soon as he sits, you have to quickly react. Okay? Now choose a keyword for you, be it yes, good, anything. Pick one word and then use it throughout his training. As soon as he completes the command, you have to introduce the word also to him. As soon as you're taking the treat up, he sits down. Yes, sit. Take it. And then sit. From next time onwards, you start saying sit. Right? Instead of just following the gestures, you make him understand the word. You have introduced the word, now you have to make him learn the word. Now what happens, some puppies are very excited. So whenever you take the treat above their head, they try to jump to grab the treats. Okay? So in that case, here comes my tip number 2. You have to take the leash, right? And then you have to secure it with your legs. Keep the leash loose enough so that he is able to look up and sit when needed. Also keep it tight enough so that he is not able to jump onto your hand. And then you have to do the same thing. See, just like that. Now next command is lie down. So you have to take your dog from sit position to lie down position now. For that, what you have to do is you have to first ask your dog to sit. Once he sits, again take the treat, let him sniff, and then slowly take it down. Okay, and again this process has to be very slow. Just keep this point in mind. Now you will notice at this point he will also follow along, and if he does this, if he follows along, you have to say yes. You have to keep encouraging him to do this thing again and again. Even if he's not reached the end result, if he is even halfway, just say yes and treat him. Now in the process of him following along, if he moves any of his paw in your direction, you have to again immediately react. So in following this process, you will see that ultimately he will completely lie down on the floor. Now this is the point, you have to again treat him. This might take a bit longer, he might not understand, but you have to keep doing this process. You have to keep luring him. If he is distracted in halfway, you have to again take your hand, just like in the earlier case, you have to again take your hand towards his nose, and then you have to again let him sniff and make him focus on your hand again. He should focus on the treat. You should know that he will get the treat once he completes the task. As soon as he completes the command, you have to introduce the word also to him. Let's say he lies down on the floor. Now you have to say it. Yes, lie down. Good. And then give him the treat. So in the first few attempts, you should first make him sit and then you should make him lie down. But after some time, you can just ask him to lie down directly. Instead of saying sit first and then lie down, you straight away skip to lie down. So this was about sit and lie down command. We will continue this command series and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.